Howdy, folks. This is a tree, but pretty soon it's going to be part of a new house. Not because I need a new house, but because a future employee needs a new house. So here's the great reveal. We're hiring somebody in January, and we'll announce who that is soon, hopefully. But I have about 2 months to get a house ready. So this is the first step. Actually, the first step is getting the bandsaw up and running. And this is the second step, to select a nice couple of trees that I like to make runners for sort of a tiny house, 800 square feet. Not so tiny for some. He's coming from a much tinier house than this, he and his wife and little girl. So anyway, so we're gonna fell this sucker right here, and maybe I'll bring you along for the ride. Trusty handy dandy steel here. Handy dandy steel here. Well, that didn't exactly follow the direction I wanted it to, but that's okay. I'm trying to get to fall up the hill here, but it was kind of leaning a little bit, I thought, but I was still going to try to do it. But that's acceptable. I'll be able to pull that out of there. Well, huge beam number one down. Thanks for watching. This is Matt, Shady Grove Ranch, Jefferson, Texas.